On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Moccasin favorites introduction section of the module. We're going to be doing some light reading. We're going to pick up from where we left off yesterday. And just to reiterate, this is going to be a read-only module. We don't have access to the dependencies and tools we need to run the tools or the examples in this module, so it's going to be read-only. So let's pick up with some light reading. And when we initially deploy our contracts, we have to manually verify them, a process we haven't gone over yet. But from Moccasin, we have access to tools with features that will allow us to verify automatically. We will also be going over new concepts such as tests, which are very important concepts of our smart contracts, which we will be learning more about as we move forward. Now, writing tests into our contracts can be complicated, but again, Moccasin comes with tools that can help us with that. We will also go over the process of writing the test directly into our contract and testing them all at once. We can test our contracts just by using this command in our terminal. We will say mox test. This command will run any and all tests that we have written into our small contracts. We can use a modified version of the test command like this. We'll say mox test in auto. This command is going to run our test in parallel, which takes a bit longer to start up, but runs our test a lot faster, which is good when we have a huge number of tests in our contract. So basically, instead of running the test one after another, it'll run our tests all at once. So again, it'll take a lot longer to start up, but it'll run the test a lot quicker because they're doing all the tests at once instead of one after another. Now, basically, that's what that looks like. And again, I can't show you any examples of what that looks like. So we just have to visualize and get a good feel of what it looks like in our imagination. Because again, unfortunately, I don't have any tools or dependencies to actually run the examples read-only module. So yeah, but of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way as we move forward. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.